Let's discuss Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in the Hindu scriptures. It's mentioned in Bhavishya Purana, Parva 3, Khanda 3, Adhyay 3, Shloka number 10 to 27, that an angel comes to Raja Bhoj and tells him that the followers, the Muslims, they shall be circumcised. They shall not have a tail on the head that is shandy. They shall give the call for prayer that is the adhan. They shall grow a beard. They shall eat all lawful things, but they shall not eat the flesh of swine. They shall not be purified by fruits, vegetables, and herbs, but they shall be purified by warfare. They shall be called as Musalman. This prophecy of Bhavishya Purana, Parva 3, Khanda 3, Adhyay 3, Shloka number 10 to 27, it refers to no one but the last and final messenger, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It says that the followers, they shall be circumcised. They shall not have a tail on the head that is shady. They shall give the call for prayer that is the adhan. They shall grow the beard. They shall eat all lawful things, but they shall not eat the flesh of swine. They shall not be purified by fruits, vegetables, and herbs, but they shall be purified by warfare. They shall be called as Musalman. Further, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he's prophesied in several other verses in Bhavishya Purana, Parva 3, Khanda 3, Adhyay 3, Shloka number 5 to 8, and Bhavishya Purana, Parva 3, Khanda 1, Adhyay 3, Shloka number 21 to 23. Let's discuss Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in the Hindu scriptures. It's mentioned in Bhavishya Purana, Parva 3, Khanda 3, Adhyay 3, Shloka number 10 to 27, that an angel comes to Raja Bhoj and tells him that the followers, the Muslims, they shall be circumcised. They shall not have a tail on the head that is shandy. They shall give the call for prayer that is the adhan. They shall grow a beard. They shall eat all lawful things, but they shall not eat the flesh of swine. They shall not be purified by fruits, vegetables, and herbs, but they shall be purified by warfare. They shall be called as Musalman. This prophecy of Bhavishya Purana, Parva 3, Khanda 3, Adhyay 3, Shloka number 10 to 27, it refers to no one but the last and final messenger, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It says that the followers, they shall be circumcised. They shall not have a tail on the head that is shady. They shall give the call for prayer that is the adhan. They shall grow the beard. They shall eat all lawful things, but they shall not eat the flesh of swine. They shall not be purified by fruits, vegetables, and herbs, but they shall be purified by warfare. They shall be called as Musalman. Further, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he's prophesied in several other verses in Bhavishya Purana, Parva 3, Khanda 3, Adhyay 3, Shloka number 5 to 8, and Bhavishya Purana, Parva 3, Khanda 1, Adhyay 3, Shloka number 21 to 23. Further, it's mentioned in Atharva Ved, book number 20, hymn number 127, mantra number 1 to 14. It is called as Kuntab Suktas, which means hidden glands in the abdomen. It also means peace, which is similar to Islam. Time does not permit me to go through all the 14 mantras, but I will touch upon the first 4 mantras. Mantra number 1, that he will be Narshansa. He will be Kaurama, and he will defeat 60,090 enemies. Mantra number 2, that he will be a camel-riding Rishi. Mantra number 3, that he will be Baba Rishi. And mantra number 4, that he will be Vaishesh Rev. Mantra number 1, that he will be Narshansa. Narshansa comes from the root word Nar, which means human being or man, and Shansa comes from the root word Prashansa, which means praised. Therefore, Narshansa means praiseworthy, which means Muhammad. Furthermore, it says that he will be Kauraba. Kauraba means Prince of Peace. And it says that he will be Kauraba. And it says that he will be an emigrant. And in our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he migrated from Mecca to Medina and he was an emigrant. Furthermore, it says that he will defeat 60,090 enemies. And we know the population of Mecca was approximately 60,000. Mantra number 2, that he will be a camel-riding Rishi. And it is mentioned by Smriti, chapter number 11, verse number 202, that it is forbidden for an Indian or a Brahmin to ride camel or an ass. So it refers to no one but the last and final messenger, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Mantra number 3, that he will be Mama Rishi or Maharishi. And sometimes he is referred to as Muhammad, whereas sometimes as a great Rishi. And mantra number 4, that he will be Vaishesh Rev, which means that he will be one who praises, which means Ahmad. So these prophecies, they befit no one but the last and final messenger, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.